गेस्ट अपीयरेंस कर रही है शो में, सबको पता ही है ये
Yeah, what is up with that? Also, the show is not scripted, guys.
और किसको हम दोनों को जिताने के लिए क्यों भैया हम कौन सगे हैं प्राइम के?
And as you can see, Elnaz and Purav are plotting to actually throw me
Throw
out
you
of the
out.
house.
Exactly.
ये कोई बिग बॉस नहीं है. प्राइम हैज क्रैक्ड द कोड व्हिच नेटफ्लिक्स couldn't. मेरे सपने में एक बार एक एलियन आया था, मैं जाके सर्कल ऑफ शक पे बोलूं कि अरे एक एलियन
तो
ही आया
तुम
था.
नहीं बोलोगी ना उर्फी. Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah and today I'm going to be having a conversation with two काफी talented people in the house. We have winners of the Traitor Season 1, Nikita and Urfi. What's up guys? How you guys doing?
Oh my God, Shravan, yes.
I had to wake you all up. I had to wake you all up. Guys, I'm talking to winners. What is this energy? Pump it up.
Yeah.
Listen, how are we feeling? How are we feeling?
अरे हमारा शो एक साल पहले शूट हुआ था, वहाँ पे एनर्जी दिखा दी थी.
Let's replay the emotion then.
Okay,
How are we
let's
feeling up then?
Then
I mean, unbelievable.
Yeah.
It was unbelievable क्योंकि मैंने तो गेस्ट अपीयरेंस कर रही है शो में, सबको पता ही है ये
Yeah, what is up with that? Why are people talking like this? What, like, how do you feel
come
when people
on,
talk
yaar.
like this bullshit?
Such a big platform has given me, you know, this visibility. They've put me in the show. But I am not from the industry. मेरे को मिर्च मसाले करने ही नहीं आते, मेरे को content बनाना ही नहीं आता. I am a complete misfit at the end of the day. So I didn't do anything to give, you know, that spice. So the cameras had no story to give. मैं पीछे behind the scenes, stealth mode, silently, I was just calculating, playing my game. My strategy was survival and I survived. And I went for the kill in the end when it mattered. You had to calculate there are two traitors. I calculated there are two traitors. Found the one innocent. We got together and went for the kill. That was my game.
Very simple, guys. But clearly, people want it more than that. So then, ma'am, first of all, I don't care what the world says because you won, and that is it. That is mic drop. Also, the show is not scripted, guys. So stop spreading whatever you are. It's not a scripted
नहीं
show.
प्राइम क्या 100 करोड़ का शो बनाएगा
स्क्रिप्ट करके
और किसको हम दोनों को जिताने के लिए क्यों भैया हम कौन सगे हैं प्राइम के? ये क्या 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 कुछ भी.
So yeah, I'm going to say it again to the camera. It's not a scripted show. So clearly they didn't know.
मेरे जीतने से तो क्लियर हो ही गया है.
I think it's scripted very badly. But listen, that last episode when I have watched, I'm like, Urfi, you are such a chunt. I'm like, how you have played that? I mean, when you heard that entire conversation, even before that, the way you played Harsh, I feel bad for you, Harsh. I'm going to say it. Whatever you've done with Harsh, Urfi, really bad. I feel bad.
अरे यार but वो ट्रेटर था. He was playing me. But वो
I
उसका
don't
काम
think
था.
he was playing you.
उसका काम था वो. I couldn't have done anything. It was innocence versus the traitors.
Traitors,
और मुझे
yeah,
पता था,
absolutely.
अगर हर्ष को भनक भी हो जाती कि मुझे उस पर शक हो गया है,
Yeah.
तो पूरब की जगह वहाँ मैं घर जाती क्योंकि सुधांशु जी मेरे पर शक कर रहे थे. उन्होंने सबको बोल दिया था कि वो मुझे वोट देंगे. तो मुझे पूरब को अलग रखना था कि हाँ हम सुधांशु जी को वोट दे रहे हो, पर मुझे हर्ष का वोट चाहिए था. नहीं तो मैं अगर निकिता का मुझे पता नहीं था, डाइसी था, सुधांशु का भी डाइसी था, मुझे एक वोट तो चाहिए था मेरे साथ. फिर दोनों में से एक भी कोई कर देता ना तो पूरा आउट होता. और फिर अगर हर्ष को लग जाता कि मुझे भनक है वो ट्रेटर है, एंड में जाके अगर वो सुधांशु के साथ मिलके वो मुझे आउट कर देता. हालांकि फिर वो भी शो नहीं जीत पाता क्योंकि सुधांशु और निकिता कभी उसको जीतने नहीं देते. फिर सुधांशु और निकिता ये शो जीतते. सो आई हैड टू मेक श्योर दैट आई विन एट एनी कॉस्ट. आई न्यू इट. मेरे दिमाग में ये पूरी स्ट्रेटजीज बन गई थी कि दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन, देन ओनली आई विल विन. पहले मुझे निकालना है पूरब को, फिर मुझे निकालना है सुधांशु जी को. अगर 5% भी चांस है फिर मैं और निकिता निकालेंगे हर्ष को. आई न्यू इट कि अगर इसमें से एक स्टेप गलत हुआ आई लॉस्ट द गेम.
Also, you did the smartest thing by not, accepting the invitation.
Yeah.
Because I don't think then the game would have ended the way it ended.
Yeah, I don't think Team Innocence would have won if I accepted that invite, because the innocent had to make that calculation how many traitors there are by rejecting that invite.
Yeah.
And secondly, like for me, I had no vote bank.
Yeah.
So for me to accept a traitor's invite would be instant death.
Yeah.
And as you can see, Elnaz and Purav are plotting to actually throw me
Throw
out
you
of the
out.
house.
Yeah.
मैं एक और episode survive करती max.
Yeah.
And for me, it was a losing strategy, and it was very clear to me. It was like clear as daylight. I was thinking 3 steps ahead. for an Urfi who has the vote bank, who has that, for her it would be a great strategy.
Yeah.
So you have to see who you are in the game and
Yeah.
make those decisions. And I think Team Innocence wouldn't have won if it wasn't for this. And for me to say that, okay, I was silent, I wasn't giving footage, I wasn't doing this, but these are the things that I did to make it to the end.
Yeah.
Did I drop it at the right time? How many traitors there are? Did I stand away from the crowd and not go with the crowd? Did I not pick any fights with anyone? All these things were strategies to make sure that I come out as the winner.
Can I tell you now? I'll tell you the difference. What happens is, right? A lot of people also who are watching the show have not realized it. कि एक तो game है. That is the format of the game. You are supposed to strategize, and it's not necessary that Urfi's strategies are going to be similar to yours or vice versa, right? She's going to strategize very differently,
Exactly.
and you're going to strategize very differently. That's A. Second, people have taken this so seriously. Like, I don't know, y'all took a share of their jaidat, or probably that. Because the way people have gone crazy on social media last night, and I'm like, guys, everybody calm down. It's a
Yeah.
game. Everybody won it fair and square.
अरे कोई बिग बॉस थोड़ी चल रहा है क्या? डिजर्विंग जिसने ट्रेटर पकड़ लिया
वो जीत
जीत
गया, yeah.
या तो ट्रेटर हमें नहीं पकड़, अगर हम नहीं पकड़ पाते तो ट्रेटर जीत जाता.
Exactly,
ये
and-
कोई बिग बॉस नहीं है कि
But
यहाँ
people are
पे
not understanding
जिसका
that.
सबसे ज्यादा योगदान है
But I
इस show
also
में.
feel that in the hindsight, I think for the title, The Traitors, I think it's a great pick because after a very long time, even Indian masses have gotten a reality show this good that people have been addicted to. You know what I mean? Because
Prime has cracked the code which Netflix couldn't. Dude, Prime cracked the code, but now they're sorted for I don't know how 10-15 years.
yeah,
like,
because and that is the format of Traitors. Like you're like so invested, and with you guys, of course, you all didn't know who the Traitors. हमको तो episode 1 से पता है. So for us, like I'm so invested in the show while I'm watching it. I'm like, bro, why? Like I remember telling this girl, I'm like, only if you would have believed your dream when she says,
Yeah.
मुझे कल रात को एक सपना आया था जहाँ पे मही पूरब and Ella's Traitors है. And I'm like, Urfi, you should have just believed that सपना.
मेरे सपने में एक बार एक एलियन आया था. मैं जाके सर्कल ऑफ शक पे बोलूं कि अरे एक एलियन
तो
भी आया
तुम
था.
नहीं बोलोगी ना उर्फी एलियन के बारे में तो.
यू कांट यार. मैं सर्कल ऑफ शक पे बोलूं यार मुझे सपना आया था, लोग बोलेंगे तू निकल पहली फुर्सत में निकल. व्हाट इज सपना? और मैं अगर सपने के हिसाब से मैंने दोनों ट्रेटर आउट कर दिए, चलो एलनास पूरब, तो फिर तो इनोसेंट्स आपस में ढूंढ रहे कौन ट्रेटर है, कोई ट्रेटर है ही
नहीं,
नहीं.
but फिर then I think then even they would have to change the entire format of the show and make new traitors, no?
नो सो
Recruitment होती है.
होती recruitment for sure. But listen, if let's say you were the host of the show, okay, and you were the host of the show, you had to pick 3 traitors. Who are the 19 from the 19? Who would you pick?
Jannat.
Okay, यार बहुत a lot of people have answered Jannat.
क्योंकि शी वाज उसके ऊपर कभी शक नहीं किया ना.
Yeah.
वो बिल्कुल इनोसेंट थी, तो पिक समवन हु इज जस्ट इनोसेंट.
Innocent, हाँ.
Yeah.
Who else?
Purav, who did a great job. And maybe Urfi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Urfi, what about
I
you?
would have picked myself. I wanted to be a traitor.
Yeah, but don't you think you becoming a traitor would be very evident?
Yeah.
नहीं यार, मेरे ख्याल से 3-4 एपिसोड स्टार्टिंग में शायद सबको शक होता तो होता, पर एक बार फिर वो सबने बोल भी दिया था कि उर्फी तो नहीं है ट्रेटर, तो वो शक निकल जाता मेरे ख्याल से
Yeah.
कि ये बस इम्पल्सिव ही नहीं है ट्रेटर. That's it.
Okay, so Urfi is one name. What are the other 2 names you have?
I would have picked Jannat and Purav. Yeah, same.
Jannat and Pura only.
Yeah.
Nice. Also, another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is how, while the audience is doing what the audience is doing on social media, players from the show also have taken everything very seriously.
Oh God.
And I'm like, guys, you all are public figures. Can you all tone the drama down? Like, move on in life.
Yeah.
What is, honestly, when you now, like you all said, right? You have shot this show, what, a year ago? Almost?
9 months.
9 months, right? 9 months पहले का ड्रामा है, ठीक है?
अब बच्चा हो रहा है जब.
9 महीने, ठीक है? People have not said anything, and now everybody, like I have seen so many of the contestants on social media, and I'm like, guys, you all have held it on for that long. Wow, petty AF. How do you react to that?
I think because I come from a gaming background, I have learned to win with grace and lose with grace.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जीत हार तो होती ही रहती है.
Yeah, that's life.
But these people, for a lot of them, it was so new. So I think there are some bitter losers out there.
बच्चे हैं यार, बोलेंगे। और अभी बाकी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि स्ट्रैटेजाइज नहीं किया, तो सबने जिसने भी स्ट्रैटेजाइज किया, कि आपकी सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज काम आ गई? हर किसी की वजह से इनोसेंस में जिसने भी स्ट्रैटेजाइज किया, एक आपका तुक्का लगाया, एक आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी
For
काम
sure.
आई, बाकी तो 4 तो आपके गलत ही हुए ना।
हाँ।
ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट स्ट्रैटेजी है इसमें।
Yeah.
कोई ट्रेडर माथे पे तो लिखवा के घूम नहीं रहा है।
That's
और
true.
ट्रेडर वाले ट्रेड्स होते क्या हैं? आपको कैसे पता ये ट्रेडर वाले ट्रेड्स हैं? वहाँ पे इनोसेंस भी डर के कुछ भी कर देते हैं, हाँ ये ट्रेडर है, ये ट्रेडर है। उर्फी ने अगर अपने दोस्तों को बचाया तो ये ट्रेडर है। देयर इज नो clear math.
But I think that one person, I think, which must have shocked you guys also was Elnaz, right?
No यार,
It didn't shock. Elnaz didn't shock you.
मुझे तो लग ही रहा था उस दिन।
Not that day. From the start, like the way she has played.
नहीं, 2-3 दिन से हमें लगने लगा था, वो दिखाया नहीं है।
Oh.
मी, जन्नत एंड हर्ष यूज्ड टू डिस्कस
कि Elnaz ऐसे behave करेगी.
हमारा 1-2 नहीं पर 3rd शक उस पे था। मेरा, जन्नत, हर्ष, जासमिन, हम सब डिस्कस करते थे।
Okay, but thank you so much, guys. That is my time with you guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you all. Like I, keep saying, let them eat cake and be merry, because the winners are sitting here. You all have won fair and square. They can cry or whatever they want. You guys will always be winners of the traitors.
Yeah.
Congratulations to both of you all. You all have played well. You all deserve it, and you all need to celebrate your victory.
Of course. I always say haters can keep hating, winners will keep winning.
Yes, I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Till then, this one is a wrap.